I am going to start off with an example of multiplying decimals and whole numbers. One way we multiply decimals and whole numbers is by using a model. This is the way we kind of took on today. And I'm going to write the expression 5 times 1600ths. This is what I'm representing on the grid here. I'm going to start off by just shading in 1600ths 5 times. This is representing my shading. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 1. This is much like repeated addition. So now I have 4 more times to represent 1600ths. 4, 14, 15, 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16. 2 more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then my last representation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16. So truly all of this is shaded. And going back and counting that, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 hundredths, which would be represented as a product of decimal 8, 0. Now, we started by today stating that we could check this to be accurate by simply taking on 1600ths multiplying times 5 to double check and ensure that they have it correct. I made it known to my students that I want them to move this decimal, see how many times they would move it out, 2 times, and then simply multiply the remainder of, multiply my digits with the standard algorithm. So 6 times 5, 30, 0, carry my 3, 5 times 1 plus 3, 8. Clean house, and I would need to move my decimal back in. 1, 2, 80 hundredths. I am correct. The reason I have students move their decimal out and back in is because it is not like adding and subtracting decimals where you just simply line up your decimals and kind of bring down your decimal. You are to move the decimal to make the digit a whole number and move it back once we have our product.